Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Loveling. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing AI generated images using Bing's Copilot, a wonderful and versatile chatbot that can help you with various tasks. So let's go. Bing's Copilot is powered by large language models that can generate text and images based on your prompts. So you can access Copilot from bing.com. I'm already on Bing, as you can see. I'm already on the Microsoft browser. So you can go to your browser and you type in bing.com. All right, .com. Okay, or you go and type copilot.microsoft.com and it will take you there. And once you're there, you sign in. And this is your interface. So you sign in using your email, and then you can start chatting with Bing. As you can see, there's so many things you can do with Bing. So you can also use Copilot with Microsoft 365. Apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more. You can create AI-generated images with Copilot. You just need to type in a prompt that describes what kind of image you want. For example, if we want to create an image of an African child playing football, we say create an image of an African child playing football with or in front of their home. Let's see what that gives us. That's a simple prompt, and let's see what it gives us. All right, so there we go. We have 4 images to choose from. So I said an African child, simple prompt, an African child playing football in front of their home. So I didn't specify the type of home, so Bing decided to give me this village setting. I could have insisted. All right, that takes us to more creative. And from here you can download, you can share, you can save, you can download, or you can customize. You can make it your own. So let's say we want to customize this. What do? Using Microsoft Designer. Okay, so you can use Microsoft Designer and you customize it. All right, so many tools for you to use and customize your visuals to be better, whatever you want to do. All right, you have extra tools here to guide you, and you have these templates, ready-made templates. You see, you can just put your text. All right, ready-made templates for you to use that way. All right, so that is for another day. Let's move back to our Copilot and create more images. That was a simple prompt, so our prompts can be more creative. Let's copy this prompt here, and I click there to make it more specific. Image of an African child playing football in front of their, okay, I can say in front of their modern home. Right, he is putting on a t-shirt with Cameroon colors and black shining boots. Okay, his friends are running after him to collect the ball. So we can have this and see what that will give us. Okay, so this is the result. This is what we have. Okay, we can still make that to be specific. So going to our prompt, let's add more details. We copy this, put it here, and we add. So create an image of, okay, a happy and adorable African, I will say African boy playing football. If you want to be specific, you can say African boy child or male child playing football in front of their modern home. He's putting on a t-shirt with Cameroon colors. We didn't have that in our last prompt, so we say with green, red, and yellow colors representing Cameroon. Okay, and black shining boots on his feet. Okay, his friends are running after him to collect the ball. So instead of that, we could say he is running towards the goal post. Okay, so how do I become more realistic? I can say create realistic image of a happy and adorable. So let's see what that gives us. Okay, so here we go. Something better. We are moving towards our image. All right, we're moving towards our desired image. So we don't yet have the Cameroon flag, do we? We need to keep on insisting. So you can keep on trying this and have what you want. All right, so we've seen images of people creating children running with files. So let's try one. All right, create an image of an African kid running away with a bunch of bananas and a female African trader is running after him while other market sellers are watching. So the setting is a local African market. Let's see what that gives us. Okay, so there we go with our images. 4 of them. We have to choose. If we are satisfied, we can choose. Okay, like this one. I think this one. But the banana, this woman is holding the banana. It's not the boy. So, all right. So how do I make it realistic? I can okay. So I can say create. Let's say create a 3D image. We add 3D to that and see what it gives us. Okay. So here we are. Our images are ready. This. Okay, we can always edit that, refine our prompts. So I'm going to use some more refined prompts that I have already used before, and let's see how that works. So I have this first prompt and I click here. Always save my prompts for further use. So it says create an image of 4 young male baby models, each exuding confidence and style in their unique way. They are elegantly dressed in different African outfits and stand against a backdrop that echoes the vibrant colors of the African landscape or showcase cultural motifs. They should be dressed in agbada and adorned in a single bead necklaces and bracelets each. The image should show their entire outfit and shoes. So let's see what that gives us. Okay, there we go. Can you see that? So that is one of my prompts that I have, and this is the results. Look how beautiful they are. There are no shoes yet, so I could go ahead and insist on having shoes. So this one has, and this is an image of them putting on shoes. This one without shoes, and they're mixed. Okay, so you could always decide what you want at the end of the day. So there we go. So you can go ahead and download your image. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. Create an image of an adorable chubby albino Cameroonian baby boy taking a selfie with a mobile phone and pouting his lips like, all right, let's wait for that. While his siblings are watching. The setting should be outside an African home, of course. I don't know, I just love generating images to tell our African stories. I work on what I know. I understand the African stories better, so I try to tell them as much as possible. All right, there we go. Isn't he cute? Look at okay, so there we go. All right, so you could always download that. Create an oil painting of a beautiful African lady with dark and beautiful long braided hair bundled into one, black lipstick and nail polish, elegantly dressed in a black bathrobe, gold with gold stripes. So this gold wasn't supposed to be there. So Bing is very sensitive to some words, so you have to be very careful with your choice of words. So there we go. Oh, I love this. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, so this is a beautiful artwork. Beautiful. You can go ahead and share, save, download, customize as you want. So you could customize, maybe put your name, your logo somewhere, or whatever you want to do. It's up to you. All right, so Bing is not only for creating images. So the Copilot is not only good at generating images, but also at generating text. So you can ask the Copilot to write a caption for your image. All right, so say, for example, write a thought-provoking caption for the above image of an African lady in a bathrobe. Okay, the most alluring thing a woman can have is confidence. I'm not my hair, I'm not the skin, I'm the soul that lives within me. I am a woman, phenomenal woman, that's me. I'm not afraid of being seen as beautiful anymore. I am a woman with thoughts and questions and shit to say. I say if I'm beautiful, I say if I'm strong, you will not determine my story. I will. So these are some beautiful captions to go with our post, with our image. Okay, you can just copy that and you add to it. You can also ask it to write you a poem inspired by your image and more. You can also ask Copilot to generate text for other purposes such as writing an email, a blog post, a resume, a song, a joke, and more. So Copilot can also answer your questions, summarize web pages, translate languages, do math, and so much more. All you need to do is to be so creative, think out of the box, generate good prompts. Copilot is a great tool for anyone, especially for us as language teachers. It's an excellent tool. It's a great tool for anyone who wants to unleash their creativity and productivity. You can use Copilot to create stunning images and text to your personal or professional projects, or just for fun if you like. You can also share your Copilot creations with others and see what they think. So as we saw the share button, okay, you can go ahead and use the share button to see what others think of your work. So there we go. Actually, Copilot is always learning and improving, so you can expect more features and capabilities in the future. All right, so we have here, you can add an image, you can upload from your device or take a photo and ask Copilot to analyze the image for you, to create an inspirational story or whatever you want, okay, or to modify the image for you. Maybe you can take a picture of yourself, upload an image of yourself and say, Copilot, can you add me a heart on this image, and see what it will do for you. All right, and if you don't want to type, you can speak, use your microphone, okay, and allow. You can go ahead. Hello Copilot, how are you today? I would like you to create an image of a woman selling foodstuff in an African market. And there we go. It's working just fine. You don't want to type, you can always speak.
I'll try to create that. A woman selling foodstuff in an African market. This image was generated by Bing's internal tools.
Okay, so in no time, our images are ready. Let's see what we have here. Can you see that? Can you see how realistic this is? So picture this in your classroom, trying to do essay writing or doing media literacy. You want to prompt your students to speak and so on. This, imagine you want to make your students to talk about an African market, what they see there, what they sell there, what they buy there. You have an image like this to help you. So look at this. I think this is Naira. This should be a Nigerian market. So look how realistic these images appear. See? And you have something good to use in your language class or for your artistic work. You could always download that. You download one after the other. Okay. Or you go ahead and customize and share. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of images and text you created with Copilot and what you think of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.